Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today I have made another amazing waffle dish. Please make sure you watch the whole video. Kool Zone. Hello. This video right here is a very special video. It seemed like everything was going wrong that day. My tripod broke, everything was going wrong. So I didn't even think I would be able to do this video at all. So I was truly thankful to have my mom give me a little hand. So if it wasn't for her, I would not be able to put this video together. So thank you, Mom. I love you. Enjoy the video, folks. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. So this sauce that I'm dipping in right here, this is a mixture of hot sauce and sriracha. I wanted to give it a nice kick, nice heat, and I think I did a good job. And I was really impressed at how the spices just came right together. It was amazing. And if there's anybody out there that's going through a slump and really not sure which way they're going, it's time to get up and get moving and grooving. You came this far to give up now. Let's do this, people. Wow, folks, look how amazing this chicken looks. Oh, wow, amazing. I thank God I'm alive, I resurrected myself musically so you can see that I arrived. I just want to be a superstar, yeah. I just want to drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just want to be a superstar, yeah. I just want to drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. It's not my ego that helped me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him, cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See, I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple. The soundtrack of my life is me. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. Look at it. It looks amazing. You got your spicy chicken, you got your jalapenos, and of course, you got your waffles. A masterpiece in the making. I had so much fun putting this video together. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching, and if you do like what you see, please do push that like button. That would truly support me. I love you guys all. Kool Zone out. Say welcome to the Kool Zone.
Welcome to the Kool Zone.
There we go. Tell them it's going to be amazing.
It's going to be amazing.
There we go. Look at that. Big time. You heard it, folks. I just want to drive a fancy car. I just want to drive a fancy car. I just want to drive a fancy car. Drive a fancy car. Superstar.